So here we are going to start our first class on Python. So whenever we want to write any program by using Python, then always we have to take the help of a software. So now in this class, I just want to uh, discuss how to download and install Python. After having a knowledge on the downloading process and installing process on our system, then we will write a program by using the Python software. Now, most of the time a question comes into our mind that whenever we want to know uh, Python or we want to start our Python, why not we will go for the basics, that is how Python comes into picture and what is the merits, what are the merits, demerits of using Python, whether there will be a career growth in Python or not. So that part of discussion is not appropriate right now as per my knowledge, because if we are learning Python, then obviously I know that you must have some knowledge regarding Python, that it is going to provide you a career. So otherwise no one will come to this area. So that's why the first thing is Python is going to provide you a career, or it must be a part of your course curriculum. So by taking these two, you have to learn Python. And the history we will discuss in any other class. Uh, Once we will have some knowledge regarding how to write programs by using the Python, then only we will come to the history. So that is the process actually which I want to follow. So according to that, we will go for the installation. So if you want to install Python, then first you have to go to Google. Then on Google you have to type download Python, enter. So it is always a better sign to go to its official site. So the official site is python.org. So click on that, and it will display the latest version for the system whatever you have. Since I am using my Windows operating system, depending on that, it will allow the user to install Python. So directly click on this download Python 3.8.4 option. So click on this, and Python will be installed on your browser. So now click on this upward arrow, so it will make you the option to show in folder. So it will directly come to your downloads location. So double click here. So now whenever you will get this screen, remember to add Python 3.82 path. If by mistake you have not added this one, then we can add the Python information to the path, but it is a good sign as a beginner to add Python 3.82 path by making a check mark. So now click on this install now. So don't try to change anything. So now what are the things we will get here? It will allow the user to include ID, LE, PIP and documentation. So all these things we will discuss on the later part. So customize installation, if you want to install the software on any other location other than the location provided here. So I don't want to go to other location. So the location is right now is C drive, that is users under Burle app data local programs Python, under that Python 3032. Since it is the first class, don't think much. Then what are the things available here? Just click on install now and make yes. So it is going to install the Python. So after the installation, you have to work with your Python software. So rest of the things we will discuss in detail. As a beginner, no need to uh, gain knowledge regarding the all the essential elements whatever be associated on these locations. Once you will progress your course day by day, then automatically the knowledge will come to your mind. So now it is going to finish. It is a small software and take less time to do the job. So let me wait. for the installation. So it is adding the path, so there is no need to make anything extra. Just if you want to go for online tutorial, start with the online tutorial and documentation, you can click on this one. So it will allow the user to go for the tutorial, and it is always a better sign to read from the official site of Python. So hopefully we will cover all of these things in this video classes. So now let me close this one as well as click on this close button. So now Python is installed. Then how we will know that? So on the search area, type IDLE. So you will get IDLE. Click on this one. So once you will get this message, you have to confirm that Python is installed. So it is Python 3.8.4 is installed, and today is the option is it is provided the tax version, weight, etc. So we don't want to go for this right now. So let me show you one command, that is print hello. So whatever screen we are getting here, that screen is known as your Python shell. So either you can go for single quote or you can go for double quote in Python. Now it is your choice how it will work. Now it is the starting point which everyone has to know, and once we will put our first step, the rest of the steps are easy. So that's why we will start our Python programs from the next class onwards. In this, for this class, this much. Thank you.